Hi, my name is Trey Lewis. I'm an HNP design engineer, and today we're going to be talking about procedure use and adherence. Here in the nuclear industry, we like to take our time to make sure a job is done right. And the best way to make sure that our work is quality and that our people are protected is by practicing good procedure use and adherence. And wouldn't you know it, we have a procedure for everything. Doing something quickly? There's a procedure for that. Not sure what something looks like? There's a procedure for that. Reading a procedure? That's right. There's a procedure for that. You know what? Since now we're talking about good human performance tools, let's visit a procedure. 80 HU all 0005 Human Performance Tools. We'll look at attachment 4, which will tell us everything we need to know about procedure use and adherence. One time, my wife and I were driving uptown to see a contemporary art exhibit, and then my GPS told me to take a turn that I wasn't expecting. Familiar with the area, I decided to just ignore the GPS. I am, after all, the human operating the vehicle, and not some silly phone sitting in a cup holder. Well, a few miles down the road, I discovered that the road was closed and that there was a detour. The GPS, of course, knew this all along. The only way to get to the show was to backtrack 10 miles and go back the way that the GPS originally told me to go. Silly me. A funny story, but it serves to illustrate a few key elements of proper PU and A. And in our line of work, the consequences can be much more dire than just being late for a show. 1. Always validate that you're working with the latest revision to your procedure. Your information may be correct, but it might also be outdated. 2. Make sure you review the procedure ahead of time so that there are no surprises when you're performing your work. 3. Bring your procedure with you to the field so you can reference it as needed. 4. Use the procedure according to its designated level of use. Some procedures require more rigorous note-taking. 6. Ensure each step is properly completed and documented before moving on to the next step. And finally, number 7, if something unexpected happens, or if there's a problem, stop your work, place it in a safe condition, and then call your supervisor. Remember, you can visit 80 HU all 0005 attachment 4 for more information about procedure use and adherence. Thanks for talking about procedure use and adherence with me. And remember, there's a procedure for that.